the deep Ananda Spurana of Paramashiva means his ecstatic inhaling and exhaling, reaching to planet Earth is Guru, his own extension, his own amsa, his own manifestation, his own incarnation. Understand? Ananda Spurana of Paramashiva is inhaling and exhaling his prana pana vyanodana samana movements, his breathing space reaching out to the whole humanity is Guru, is his incarnation happening on planet Earth. His very space manifesting here on the planet Earth is Sri Kailasa. The way he wants to grace the planet Earth, humanity, each one of your life, he demonstrates his compassion by happening as Guru, manifesting himself as incarnation and entering your life. Understand? Recognizing Paramashiva himself is entering in your life as Guru is the most blessed thing you can achieve, the greatest achievement on planet Earth. Understand? Any award, reward, anything, he himself manifesting, entering in your life as Guru is the most blessed, beautiful, greatest happening and greatest achievement for you in your life. Any other reward, award, achievement, wealth, position, power, career, social power or political power or economical power, resources, relationships, everything else is second priority. He himself entering in your life as Guru and you recognizing that he himself has happened as Guru. Understand? Power, enlightenment, knowledge, extreme strength, power, enlightenment, knowledge, extreme strength, all these great happenings, all these ultimate happenings, all these beautiful happenings, knowledge, enlightenment, power, All these auspicious, great, beautiful things happening is the side effect of his breathing space manifesting in planet Earth. Understand? He himself breathing is Ananda Spurana. Understand? Paramashiva himself manifesting his own breathing space, manifesting is Guru, and more you align to Guru, get integrated to Guru and Guru walk, you become enlightened. Not only you become enlightened, all the side effects of the beautiful auspicious side effects of Paramashiva, his state, his space, his being, his superconsciousness, his Kailasa, all that starts manifesting around you. All that starts manifesting around you. Understand? He inhaling and exhaling. He manifesting himself. Sweetly entering into your life, sometime very swiftly. Not just sweetly alone. You just do not know when he came inside your heart and filled you. You just wake up and you know you are he and he is you, and all around your home his photographs, and all over your cell phone, social media, his photographs, and just in your mind only his name, and all the time his satsangs are going on and his music and what not. Suddenly you know that he is there all around. You have now new jata getting done for you, and from your head to toe the whole hairstyle, lifestyle, everything has changed. You just know he is you and you are him. Feeling intensely blessed and blissed. Blessed and blissed. All the time you know you are from ear to ear. You are sitting with your cell phone, laptop, you are laughing on your own, you are smiling on your own. People ask, what is going on? What is happening with you? People can't tolerate if you are happy on your own. See, if you are sad on your own, they are very happy. If you are happy on your own, then it means you are making a statement that you don't need others to be happy. That is too much. They feel insecure. If husband is happy on his own, wife can't handle. And wife is happy on her own, husband can't handle. Then what for I am here? I should make sure at least your happiness is dependent on me. How can you be happy on your own? And all the time, one of the greatest side effect, beautiful side effect of Paramashiva happening in your life is he fills you sweetly, swiftly. You are blessed out and blissed out. You are blessed out and blissed out. His breathing, touching the planet Earth is his own amsa, his own extension, his own being, his own incarnation, he himself manifesting as Guru. As Guru. Every time he breathes, every time he manifests himself on planet Earth. He makes millions enlightened. Pure enlightenment. I tell you, to make human beings manifest the purest form of enlightenment, now we need a political freedom also. We need to work apolitically, not associated with any political ideologies. That is the reason, with the grace of Paramashiva, protection of Kala Bhairava, we decided to revive this Kailasa, Sri Kailasa. I tell you, whatever is said and done, unless there is an absolute political, ideological freedom, the pure enlightenment science cannot be manifested, taught, shared with the whole world as it is. So first time the enlightenment science is getting the pure political freedom so that it can express itself absolute purity without any direct, indirect intimidation. Religious freedom and political freedom. That vision manifested as reality, as Kailasa, Sri Kailasa. Understand? Life, the purpose of life on planet Earth is enlightenment. Pure Tyaga. Pure Tyaga aligns you with your Guru, who is extension of Paramashiva, and naturally your Guru aligns you to Paramashiva. Guru, just by his very existence in your life, goes on aligning you to Paramashiva. Goes on aligning you to Paramashiva. Goes on aligning you to Paramashiva. First time when I started teaching, I was wondering what name I should give for the program, for the class. I went into Samadhi and asked Paramashiva what should be the name. He just showed me clearly, what is me? I am just the Ananda Spurana of Paramashiva. Ananda Spurana of Paramashiva overflowing on planet Earth, reaching out to this universe is me, then that should be the word. Paramashiva's direct message from Sri Kailasa. Paramashiva's Ananda Spurana, his own breathing space, he himself, his very core life, his very existence, reaching out to this universe is Guru, his incarnation, his manifestation, his extension. Paramashiva's very own manifestation, incarnation is happening through this body being as Nityananda Paramashivam. And when you are aligning more and more, integrating yourself more and more, naturally you are aligned to Paramashiva. You are in tune with Paramashiva. You are getting integrated to Paramashiva and his states, Paramashiva's state, Paramashiva's space, Paramashiva's powers, Paramashiva's being, Paramashiva's superconsciousness, Paramashiva's Kailasa manifests just like that, sweetly, swiftly in you, around you, and naturally you live enlightenment and manifest Paramashiva.